when I got rejected in interviews, so I was crying a lot that time, like why I'm not getting any job. So my parents were saying me that you are capable. Maybe it's not your time that you are not getting a job, or it may be that you will get better than this thing. So don't
Yeah,
lose hope and work hard. So good afternoon. How are you doing?
I am fine. And what about you?
Yes, I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking. Okay, so I want to know a little bit about you. So can you give me a short introduction?
Yeah, my name is Lalu Paswan. I am a teacher, and since 2020 I have been learning English, and since 2021 I have been teaching in a school.
Okay. And where are you from?
I am living right now in Haryana.
Haryana. Okay. Oh, that's nice. So you are a teacher. So may I know which subject you teach?
In the school I teach 6 to 10 classes English subject.
English subject. Oh, that's nice. So is it spoken classes or like grammar things and like our course related stuff?
Course related stuff, but these days I am teaching them about the spoken classes. Since January I have been teaching them, and
Okay.
also I have a own
Hmm.
institute there. Students about the spoken classes after 8 o'clock to 10:30 o'clock at night.
Okay. That sounds great. So you have experience also, right?
Yeah. Okay. So basically, you are from the IT sector and you have done your graduation from the engineering. So I am
Hmm.
gonna ask, being a teacher of English, and also I teach a lot of students about the maths as well. So
Okay. Hmm.
kind of would you prefer the students who are very good in mathematics? So what kind of things did he do after completing here 12th class?
Okay. Sorry, could you repeat?
I'm asking that if a person who is very good in maths in 11, 12th standard, so what kind of stream they should take
Hmm.
in their 12th class in the engineering field?
Okay, so if a person is very good at mathematics, so I think mechanical and mechanical branch is good because in that field, mathematics is required a lot. But for my career, I would say that it was like math subject was only in first year, and after that, like our all subject is related to engineering and this computer science itself. So if someone is good at mathematics, so I would suggest that mechanical or civil branch is good. But it ups to you as well, like which domain you like a lot. When I had completed my 12th standard, so since then I had like dream that I have to work in IT company, and I was also good at mathematics. So you can say that I was a topper in math subject also. So, but yeah, my. Mhm.
Because here are a lot of girls who are not very good in mathematics. According to me, I am also a teacher. I teach students about the maths as well. So they are not very good in math subject, especially girls.
Okay, but in my case, I was very good at mathematics. And when I was in my school days, so that time I used to teach in school as well, till 12th standard. And I was giving coachings as well for mathematics subject.
Congratulations. You are such a hard working. I could understand about it. That
Yeah, and after joining my job, I shifted to another city, so that's why I didn't get chance to, give coaching. So that's why I thought I should start like online teaching. And my YouTube also, I had started with teaching mathematics, but it was very time consuming, as you can understand it better.
so
So
basically,
that's why.
I'm gonna tell you, I am a teacher. So if you are very good in physics
Mhm.
and chemistry, because the students are very good in mathematics, I also teach them about the English subject because I am not very good in, because I have taken the 11th, 12th commerce. I was the students of the commerce background. So right now I am teaching them about the English subject in 11th and 12th. So if you are
Mhm.
very good in physics and chemistry, so they could also study from you, like they are not so rich but they will pay to you some money and they could learn physics and chemistry from you. So whether you are
Mhm.
good or not, I want to ask from you.
Yes, physics, chemistry also I can teach it better, but I need to just revise those things. That's it only.
If you have a time, they are from the CBSE 1 2 students are there who really want to learn about the physics. So if you have a time, so you could say to me. They want to learn about the physics, chemistry, and they are not so much rich, but they would pay you whatever you want to say. But they are
Yes, yes,
so.
I can teach, but because of lack of time, I'm not able to do such thing. As I'm running my YouTube also, and you already know that in company 8 to 9 hours I have to give for my office work also. So that's
I
why.
understand. They will learn a lot things from you since you belong to a IT sector. You know a lot of things, which kind of
Hmm.
job and is available in the IT sector. So it would be great for them because they are not so much educated. Their parents are not much educated, and the person who is working right now somewhere in the IT sector, so they know what kind of scenario
Hmm.
is going, what kind of things they should try to do in their graduation field. So if you have a time one day in a week, so you may also tell to me. One student, especially I would say one students are agree who really
Hmm.
want to learn. Also a girl, she is studying right now in the 11th class from the CBSE board. If you have a time,
Okay, I will think about it and I will tell you.
thank you so much. It would be great. Thank you. Being a teacher, it is our yeah. Being a teacher, it is our responsibility. That technology is for that. If we, the person who needed and who really want to learn, we should try to
Hmm.
teach them, try to like encourage them, and with the technology, it is possible.
Yes, yes, and I feel that teaching job is very respectable job because if you are teaching somebody, so definitely they will recall you after after they will success in their life. Even I just feel that yeah, in my school days, this teacher taught me these things and that teacher taught me this thing. So yeah, we always remember our teachers as well when we get something in our life. So yeah.
Okay, I'm going to tell you about the thing, reality thing, which I always try to share with the person with
Mm-hmm.
whom I talk. Whenever I have a time, I talk with them. I always try to say to them about the truthness of my life. So since I
Mm-hmm.
am just 12 out and since 2020, I have been learning English. I am just 12 pass out, and if you talk about teaching style of my, so I am capable to teach till class 8. But I am currently teaching right now 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So ninth and 10th and 11th and 12th I teach them, and if I talk about myself, so I am just right now till class 8 teacher, but I am teaching to 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th using the guide. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, I can understand it. And I have also done my schooling and each and everything in Hindi medium. So when it comes to like CBSE, CBSE classes, so I just feel difficulties also because we need to understand those things in Hindi first, then we will have to teach
Yes.
them.
I
That's
can
the.
understand. You have done your
Mhm.
grade 11th, 12th in from the Hindi medium. Okay.
Yeah, and in engineering also, yeah, it was like it was a good thing that every subject was in English language. But you already know that in college also there was no spoken environment, so that's why I was
Mhm.
facing challenges in speaking part. So that's why I
Is-
decided to do this.
went to the college for doing your graduation, so at that time also you must have faced a lot of difficulties while doing your graduation as well.
Yeah, yeah. I'm from Hindi medium or and even from government school. So you can understand it better. In government school, we don't focus much on English speaking part. Not
Mhm.
we are just having one subject and we have to crack the exam only.
Uh,
So yeah, when I shifted to for engineering, when I was doing engineering, so suddenly I saw each and every subject was in English language, and
mhm.
when lecturer were giving like dictating each and everything, so what I was usually doing, I was writing in my notebook and I was giving space when it comes to like new words, or maybe I was not able to recognize those particular words, so I was giving space in my notebook and after that I was taking notebook from other people just to fill out those things. So yeah, I faced so many challenges that time.
Yes, I want to know, like you have done your graduation from the like engineering field. So you when you were in the 10th class, so at the time when you got admission in 11th class, so how did you got to know that I should try to take a science subject, science stream?
Like when I was in 10th, so as I mentioned that I was a studious girl since my childhood. So I was good at mathematics and science. So I
Mhm.
decided like I have to take mathematics as a subject because I am very good at mathematics. So that was the
Mhm.
reason to take science subject, science stream in 11th standard. And when I completed my 12th standard, so I was quite confused also, like what graduation I should do. Then I thought
Mhm.
I have a good marks and I'm good at study also, so maybe computer science will be good for me, because here we have to focus more on like what can I say, the mentally we have to give mental things, not physical work. So as I thought that time, and yeah, one of my cousin brother is working in IT company also, so I got
Mhm.
an inspiration from him that yeah, it is a good career also, so that's why.
Here is that thing that someone inspired you. It's because of that you got.
When you see other person, like yeah, he is very good in that career, or maybe and we already know that in computer science, like after an years and years, there will be a scope of this field, because we are shifting in digital things, so
Yeah,
we
right.
can't yeah, so we can't think that our job will be not secured like this, so that's why I got this idea, like yes, I should pursue this.
Yeah, so being a teacher, I am very happy because each and every day I learn a lot of things. Since I am not earning a lot of money, but learning, if you learn a lot of things each and every day, so doing your job is easy for you. So also
Yes,
you are
yes.
working 5 years. So whenever you do work, so at the time you learn. Do you get bored while doing your job?
Yeah, sometimes I get bored, but to be honest, in IT field, we have to learn every day. As you know that technology is advancing day by day, so we have to learn so many things, and we have to study every time. So that's why I get a chance to learn new things every day. But sometimes, like work can be monotonous because every day we are doing the same thing. But yeah, like after some years or maybe some months, we get new project to work on some other stuff. So that's the good thing that I enjoy a lot.
Yeah, the IT sector is that you are also you must get a lot of salary. It may be I don't have any idea, but a lot of person are here who belongs to the IT want to like we can say about the friend. So they are
Hmm.
working in that sector. So I think that salary is good. So the thing is that if you are really happy while doing your job, so it would be great for you. You could do.
Hmm. Yes, absolutely, you're right. In IT, that you can earn and learn both. And if you have, good skills, good technical skills, so you can grow very fast in IT field. It's
Mhm.
really correct. Yeah.
Hats off to you that after completing your 11th, 12th class from the Hindi medium, you have done your graduation from the English medium, and after that, you are working in the IT sector as well. So, hats off to you. You are such a hard working. I could understand about it. It is
Thank
not
you
a,
so much. Hmm.
it's not.
Yeah, now we don't feel that, yes, that much of difficulties I faced, but to be honest, I really faced so many challenges in my school or college days. And when I completed my college, so I got rejected in many interviews just because of my communication skills, like 20 plus interviews, to be honest. Uh,
Oh,
bec- yeah, so I got frustrated that time because I was very good at studies, but lack of confidence and lack of communication, I got rejected. So, and I had one dream that I always wanted to help my parents. So that's why I was just thinking, like I have done my engineering, and if I'll not get any job, so it would be very embarrassed moment for me. So yeah, I worked hard, and yeah, fortunately I got placed.
okay. So, whenever you have free time, so what kind of things do you prefer doing?
Um, on weekends, sometimes I love to go outside just to explore more. So you can say that I want to learn new things. And other than that, sometimes I do drawing. It's my favorite hobby, and traveling, and sometimes dancing as well.
Okay, so don't tell about name, but who is your best friend? Who always guide to you, who always advise to you? I think that a lot of.
To be honest, like I have many friends, but if I'll talk about my inspiration, so my dad is my inspiration. He always motivates me, like yes, you can do anything, and he always give me positive vibes only. And when I got rejected in interviews, so I was crying a lot that time, like why I'm not getting any job. So my parents were saying me that you are capable. Maybe it's not your time that you are not getting a job, or it may be that you will get better than this thing. So don't
Yeah.
lose hope, and work hard, and we believe on you. Like yes, you can do. So I would say that my father is my inspiration
I am
or
going to
best friend also. Yeah.
I'm going to tell one thing with you. Each and
Mm-hmm.
every person can do whatever they want to do if they are really hardworking. But the thing is that time. Like I'm gonna tell you, if you really want to be a good speaker, then you will have to start working so hard. And if there is teacher available, so with the help of the teacher, you could achieve the goal in your life within 2, 3, 4 years. But if you start working hard by yourself, so getting something in your life is not cup of tea. I have seen many times that when I started my journey in 2020, so at the
Mm-hmm.
time I was not even able to understand any kinds of things. So firstly at in 2020 when the lockdown was announced by the government,
Mm-hmm.
I purchased the English newspaper and I used to study till now also. Whenever
Mm-hmm.
I each and every day I purchase almost three newspaper. So firstly I read, like while speaking I read. So at that time also I started studying while speaking. So 7 days later, I thought that I am not able to understand what these sentences are saying to me. So one of my friend who is very good in English,
Mm-hmm.
I went to his home and asked that brother, could you translate it? He was not able to translate. So I thought that I should try to leave it. I should try to stop purchasing the newspaper. Then
Mm-hmm.
I was just studying one day. I was just scrolling the YouTube. Then All India Radio, All India Radio, from that news channel, All India Radio, I started listening the news almost 2, 3 hours each and every day. I used to listen. Till now,
Mm-hmm.
I'm listening almost 1 hour, 30 minutes each and every day. I listen All India Radio News 30 minutes. And after learning, whenever I have a doubt, right now also, whenever I have a doubt, so the Chandan sir, which is available on YouTube, he has uploaded a lot of videos on YouTube channel. I just try to watch, and I watched all the videos. It took almost 1 and 5 years, and after that I started recording myself each and every day. I just try to record myself. I used to take a topic, and on that topic
Mm-hmm.
I am right now used to record myself. And in 2024 I got to know about this Skype app. Before it I didn't know, have any idea that here are lot of app is available so that you could talk. In 2024 I got to know in
Mm-hmm.
February, and since that time I have been using this app.
Okay, okay. And I think you are also a good inspiration because you have learned this language by your own only.
Yeah,
And
so
some people just struggle that
yeah,
how we have to start. Mm-hmm.
that's why I'm saying to you, with the help of the teacher, you could get the thing in within 2, 3, 4 years. But when you start working by yourself, so it took
Yourself.
almost 7 years. So
Hmm.
this kind of time doesn't people have? They have just 1, 2 years for learning any kind of new thing. So that's why here are a lot of important things of the especially teachers. So that's why I was also asking to you that if you could teach a little bit to them, because you are a good inspiration also. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes. I believe that once you will start by your own, if I'll talk about me also, so I never tried any application, any institute, nothing. I just started speaking by my own, and yeah, I had basic knowledge of grammar things because I was a studious, so I read each and everything like grammar portion that time. So if your basic is clear, so you can start, making sentences by your own, and gradually you can start speaking. So it all up to you how you start, and just focus on your whatever things you are doing. Be consistent. That's the thing only.
So I would say that please share me your channel link, because I want to watch your all the videos. Whenever I will have time, I will 100% watch.
Yeah, sure. I will send. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Since you are a very good speaker, I two thing is important. If you are satisfied, firstly thing is that if you are learning, and
Hmm.
second thing is that if you are earning, both things are more important for you. If you are learning each and
Yes.
every day, so it is good, but earning is also important for you, because one time will become like that, then you will have to decide that I am learning a lot of things but I am not earning. So what would you we with you are going to leave that path.
Mm-hmm. For living, both the things is required.
Both are important, earning
Yeah.
and earning.
Yes, yes, definitely. Okay. So anything else or
Yeah, yeah, we are going to wrap up this session if you give permission. Thank you so much for talking to
yeah,
me.
yeah. Thank you so
Have a
much to you as well. Yeah. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you.